If you like our YouTube videos, make sure to check out our video subscription to access over 150 video courses. Check it out at allysafety.com.
Ergonomics is the science of designing the workstation to fit the worker. And although ergonomic positioning at your office may not initially sound like a critical safety issue, it is. Musculoskeletal disorders, or MSDs, make up about 1/3 of all workplace injury cases. A survey conducted by the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons found that 86% of office workers reported experiencing discomfort at work, with 62% reporting neck pain and 38% reporting back pain. Why? We weren't built to sit all day. But if you do, here's how to arrange your workstation to help keep you feeling good throughout the day. Feet should be able to be placed flat on the floor while you're seated. If your feet don't comfortably reach the floor, or there's pressure on the back of your legs, use a footrest or lower the chair. Your chair should be adjusted so you can keep your knees at a 90-degree angle as well as your hips. Monitor your posture and try to sit upright to keep the pressure distributed across your back. Your head should be centered over your shoulders, not too far forward or not too far back. Relax your shoulders and set your keyboard to be easily reachable with your elbows at a 90-degree angle. When using your keyboard, your hands and wrists should be in a neutral position at all times without reaching or overextending. Place your computer monitor directly in front of you about an arm's length away. The top should be no higher than eye level, and you should only need to look down slightly about 15 degrees. You may need a riser to help bring your screen to the right height. Thank you.
Are you going to finish that? I'm just going to have a taste.
Make sure the entire setup is directly in front of you so your neck is in a neutral position and your head isn't turning side to side.
So that's how to set up your office for proper ergonomic positioning. It sounds simple, right? Sure, if I was this guy, it would be a piece of cake to sit with perfect posture all day long. Instead, I sit like this and wonder why my back hurts at the end of the day.
I'll be honest, it's not that much of a mystery.
We relax throughout the day. We don't have perfect posture. We get lazy, look at our phones, lean in too far, lean out too far, strain our necks, and generally act like melted wax poured into our office chairs, rather than sitting up nice and straight like Woodrow over there. So how do we deal with that? Start with the right setup and have it move with you throughout the day. The thing is, you won't be in the exact same position all day, so you need your workstation to be able to adjust with you. For example, if you're in a more relaxed position, it may make sense to adjust your monitor to meet you there. Maybe angle it slightly downward a little. Bring your mouse and keyboard in closer so you don't have to reach. It's the same with leaning more forward. If you tend to slump over your desk throughout the day, try to remember to sit up straighter while you lean forward and adjust your monitor to the correct distance, as well as your keyboard and mouse to be at a comfortable, neutral position throughout the day. If you spend a lot of time on the phone, don't keep the receiver pinched between your neck and ear. It's bad practice and causes aches and pains. Either hold the phone with your hand or get a headset.
Rachel, it's for you.
Who is this? Rest your eyes periodically for several seconds by looking at something that's in the distance, further away than your monitor, to give your eyes a break. Then return to your work. If you're using a laptop, you may need to get a riser to make sure that the screen is at the correct height so you're not straining your neck by looking down all day. Hey, do you mind if I borrow this?
Be my guest?
You may also want to set up a separate keyboard and mouse just to make sure you can maintain that neutral posture and keep yourself comfortable throughout the day. Also, make sure to take movement breaks throughout the day.
Hey Rach, it's time to take a stretch break.
When working at a desk for extended periods, it's important to incorporate regular stretching breaks to counteract the effects of sitting and promote better posture and flexibility. Aim for stretching at least every hour. Remember, for those of us not made of wood, we were designed to move and flex throughout the day, and our workstations need to adjust with us. Stay safe
And take care.
Hi, Rachel from Ally Safety here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the Ally Safety Toolbox Talk membership at allysafety.com. There you'll find an entire library of videos that are created to make safety entertaining. I'll see you there at allysafety.com.